Hey everyone, and happy Thursday. So today I'm excited because I'm kind of taking you guys behind the scenes of a little DIY project my husband and I did. My succulent obsession is getting pretty real, pretty strong. They are basically lining my window sills in my house, so we thought, okay, it's time for a change. So we decided to do two different shelves above our couch in our living room in order to give us a little more space. So we took some reclaimed wood that he found at a barn and then decided to make our own industrial brackets, which you can also find them on Amazon, but we thought it would be kind of fun to make our own. I think it turned out so cute, and it was such an easy process for us to do this, so I hope it's the same for you guys. So first we went to Home Depot and picked out our pieces. We wanted to go with a 90-degree bracket, but you could also do a straight one, and I'll link some pictures below of what that would look like. Then we measured our board 7 inches on both sides and drew a line across to see where we would cut it. You can make the board thicker or thinner depending on your space and what all you want to place on the shelf. I had my husband do the saw because it kind of freaks me out, so he cut both of the boards straight across. After that, he sanded them down just to make them look a little bit more smooth because the reclaimed wood can look a little bit rough. Then we pieced together the brackets and screwed them into the bottom of the board. Make sure you screw them into kind of the ugly side of the board that you don't want showing, because that will obviously be the underneath. After that, we kind of positioned the board and put them in some different areas to see what we liked the best. After we leveled them, and then my husband got the drill again and put them into the wall.